for giving this beautiful day. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me this magical session where the miracles are happening in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me wonderful parents. They took care of me, they love me, they appreciate me, and they made me what I am today. I'm so grateful to them. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me a beautiful house, a house which is full of facilities. Whatever you have given me, I am having a comfortable lifestyle. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me wonderful siblings, my brothers and sisters. They love me, they appreciate me, they respect me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me a healthy lifestyle. My cells are healthy, my organs are healthy, my systems are healthy, and I am a healthy, fit, and active. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me wonderful teachers, mentors who are showing me the correct path, right path to go ahead. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me failures. Thank you for giving me challenges. Thank you for giving me different situations where each time I'm learning, I'm growing. I love them. They make me grow. I'm evolving every day. I'm learning every day. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, God. I love you, universe. I'm one with God and God is one with me. Thank you. Okay. So, dear God, I know that I'm not perfect. I know sometimes I forget to pray. I know I have questioned my faith. I know sometimes I lose my temper. But thank you for loving me unconditionally and giving me another day to start over again. Thank you so much. So it happens, कई बार कई situations आ जाती हैं, कई बार कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि you are upset and आप अपने अपने loved ones को अच्छे से भी बोल देते हो, कुछ कर देते हो. So that is fine because we are humans, you know, and ऐसा होता है, कभी किसी पे गुस्सा निकल जाता है. But the best part is how effectively you come out of that situation in very few seconds. Maybe 20 seconds, 17 seconds पे वापस आ जाता है, तो आपका मोड वही हाई वाइब्रेशनल वाला रह जाता है. So it's better every time because we are humans. It is our design. Short temper भी होंगे, गुस्सा भी होंगे, but the how fast you come out of it, that is the best solution. So you need to make sure. अब ये नहीं है, मुझे याद है जब मैं लैंडमार्क में थी तो उनको सर को मैंने बोला कि सर मेरे को गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है, पता नहीं कोई कुछ कहता है मेरे को एकदम हिट कर जाता है. तो मैंने कहा बस गुस्सा आ जाता है क्योंकि हमारे हिसाब से हम सब यही सोचते हैं कि भाई हम ऐसे संत बन जाएं कि हम रिएक्ट ही ना करें, हमें गुस्सा ही ना आए, हम पीसफुल आए. माइंड देखो सिचुएशंस आएंगी, लोग भी आएंगे, लोग भी गुस्सा करेंगे, सर्कमस्टांसेस भी होंगे. द ओनली थिंग इज हाउ यू टैकल इट. How you tackle it? You tackle it aggressively, you tackle it some other way, जिस तरह से tackle करना है. But how जब वो आप down होते हो, how immediately you come out of it, that is the best part. All of you can hear me? There is a network issue. Okay. Can you hear me, all of you? All of you can hear me? Hello?
Yes, can hear, Monica.
Okay. Can you see the PPT?
No, PPT we cannot see.
Okay, let me. Okay. So एक सेकंड के लिए शायद नेट बंद हुआ था, तो that is why I thought कि कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है. Okay, great. Screen sharing. Got it. Yeah. Now it is visible? So gratitude. So that is why whenever such kind of situations are there, वो हर एक की जिंदगी में ऐसा नहीं है कि हम साधु संत बन जाएंगे, हमारे गुस्सा आएगा ही नहीं, हम बुद्धा बन जाएंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. आपका बिहेवियर आपका रहेगा. The only difference that will happen is very fast you are coming out of it and very soon you realize कि you reacted. So उस रिएक्शन से बचने के लिए, उस चीज को रियलाइज करने के लिए, उसको ग्रेटिट्यूड में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग. तो ये कभी मत सोचना कि मुझे गुस्सा आ जाता है, मैंने उसको गुस्सा कर दिया, हो गया, फाइन. नाउ ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट मोमेंट इनटू थैंक्सगिविंग. So that is why we show gratitude, which can transform common days into Thanksgiving, turn routine jobs into joy, and ordinary opportunities into blessings. So that is why we are here for these sessions. Nitesh, what you want me to repeat? Actually, there was a moment when a net got disconnected. That is why you couldn't hear. So I was just sharing कि at times it happens, you know, either circumstances or behavior of other person, you get agitated, you get aggressive. तो आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है और मोमेंटरी है, फिर आपको बाद में लगेगा कि मुझे गुस्सा आ गया, मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. इट इज फाइन बिकॉज वी ऑल आर ह्यूमंस, यू नो, एंड इट हैपेंस. और गुस्सा आएगा, हमारा डिजाइन ऐसा बना हुआ है कि गुस्सा आएगा आएगा. जितनी जल्दी आप उस गुस्से से बाहर आओगे, दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. And you show lots of gratitude to that thing, you know. So it is absolutely fine. कभी अपने आप को गलत मत कहना. Just forgive yourself for that, you know. Because हमारे माइंड में 10 थॉट्स चलती हैं, हमारा पैटर्न डिफरेंट है, हमारा डिजाइन डिफरेंट है. We are into new practice and it happens, you know. Slowly and steadily it will slow down, but it will come. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल diminish हो जाएगा. So right. So this is how it is. So every day हमारा सबसे अच्छा तरीका है, every day we need to take the dose of gratitude. That is early morning, daytime, and in the evening. So we are practicing those things every day. अब कल का जो था हमारा वो ये था 10 blessings, then dreams, and 3 relationships. Now I would like to ask anybody if you want to share something when you did this relationship key exercise. Anybody would like to share? जब आपको 3 लोगों की एक्सरसाइज बताई गई थी, so what did you observe? Any shift happened? Anything that happened? First of all, tell me, did you do the exercise? Tell me in the chat box. Yes, Kriti. Okay. Kamaljeet, you unmute. I have muted everybody. Who wants to speak? Whom should I unmute? Okay, sir. Dr. JP. Sir, आप unmute कीजिए.
Yeah. How come nobody is talking? Only I am talking nowadays.
I was wondering.
First batch, I was so spectator. Now in the second batch, I have become the most spoken fellow.
Sir, you are the inspiration of everybody. You know, that is the best part. Yes, sir. What would you like to share?
So I selected 3 people as one is my wife, one is my son, and one is my only brother.
Okay.
My brother and me were not in talking terms for the last 10 years.
Okay.
So basically, it's because of sorry to say, because of all the ladies, you know, my wife doesn't gel with the.
It happens. It happens in the family. I do agree to that. Yes. Sir, आप
We can't hear you, sir.
You can't hear me, sir?
now we can hear. Hanji sir.
Okay. Now it's audible, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So my wife and his wife, they're closely related, and they don't gel together.
Okay.
And that's first part. Second part is that, you know, his wife constantly poisons him. You know, he's like that. Your brother did like this to you, that. And it happens in all families. You know.
Huh.
So somehow, and the time has come that we have to share our properties, in which, you know, we have disputes have arisen. So even though actually leaving behind the family house, we have a house where both of us have grown in that house. Only that house we have split into half and half, and all the remaining properties I divided into 3 pieces, and I gave him of 2 pieces, and I took only 1/3. I gave him of 2/3, which generally is very generous in terms of sharing a property between 2 brothers.
Okay.
And my wife was very unhappy, but still I did it, you know, because God has blessed me. God has blessed me more. So we are only 2. What will we do with the money?
Right.
Even then, you know, the conflicts were not resolved. We don't talk to each other. Only last year, there was one property in a joint name, so he wanted to sell that, and at that time he spoke to me,
Okay.
saying that, Anna, that I'm selling this property, the buyer is asking for your signature. Do you have? I want you to come and sign. I said, I have no problem, my brother. What is it? The division, it has come to you. There's no problem. I'll come and sign. He was happy. And I went to my native place and signed all the papers, and that I came back. Only that 3 days he spoke. After that, he never spoke to me again. He doesn't even wish me, or when I call, he doesn't take the phone. You know. And my wife always says, "What you shamelessly you always you have no, when they don't take the call, why do you call?" and all that. You know, general statements are there, always there. But after yesterday, when you told me to do that, I thought, okay, I'll try it. And I started listing, you know, what are the 10
gratitudes
what I can. I was recollecting, you know, how we played as a children.
Yeah.
How I raised him, and how all that sweet things, you know, have come to my mind. Otherwise, generally they don't come.
They don't come. Absolutely.
Only these conflicts, only what he said, what I said, why he said like that, these things will come. Since you have insisted to take up the positive things, the last 10 things, you know, I was going to my childhood, how we played, how it was so nice, how he was and how smart he was. He's actually smarter than me, you know.
Okay.
So it has really, maybe that will not bring any change in him, but it
that
has
is
brought,
not the thing.
but it has brought change in me.
Yeah. Yes.
It has brought
That is what. And which is the best part. And you know, whatever obstacles, you know, it is the brothers, sisters, and the parents. They have huge impact on your personalities. Huge impact. And you won't know in what time, you know, whenever he calls, aapko call aayega, you keep on showing gratitude, you will see the magic happening.
He will definitely.
Thank you.
मोनिका मेरे पास भी शेयरिंग है, मुझे भी सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ बट इंटरेस्टिंग शेयरिंग करनी है।
हाँ जी,
मैम मेरा भी है।
ओ वाह,
देखा मोनिका मेरे बोलते बेटा अच्छा जेपी से सारा क्रेडिट मत लो, मेरे बोलने के बाद लोगों ने स्किप किया है, मैं तो क्रेडिट लूंगा, मैं भी क्रेडिट लूंगा।
सबसे पहले जेपी सर ने उठाया कि मैंने बोला।
ठीक है, लेकिन उसके बाद हमने जैसे ही बोला देखो सब उसके बाद सारे लाइन पे आ गए।
Yes,
आप बोलो, आप अच्छा बोलते हो।
See,
आप बोलिए।
2 minutes sharing every now.
Oh my God, what a timing! I like it, मोनिका। अच्छा मेरी वाली टेक्निक से आप खुद ही इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो, सही जा रहे हो।
नहीं, पहले से ही सोचा हुआ था हमने ये।
अच्छा चलो मेरे 2 मिनट मत खाओ। हाँ, ऐसा था कि मोनिका, आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट माय कजन, जिसको और चाची को, जिसको देखते ही मुझे नफरत की आंधी मेरे अंदर बह जाती है, and I just can't control my reactions or whatever, even though I want to.
Yes.
But the first few days, as I told you, the magic करते करते, not particularly in this time, करते करते ना, somewhere I've been subconsciously and consciously blessing them only, as I told you. मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं bless ही कर रहा हूँ लोगों को, यार जो भी है डील कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, I got to. And invariably I've started realizing something is changing here in the landscape. I'll tell you for example how. Even I didn't know. ठीक है, कल ना मेरे I told you मेरे दादाजी के घर पे रहते हैं वो ऊपर, है ना, तो कल ना बारिश हुई थी बहुत भयंकर, ठीक है, एंड और उसको पता मैं रोज दादाजी के यहाँ जाता हूँ, और कल पेड़ वेड़ गिर गए थे, तो एक दो रास्ते ब्लॉक हो गए थे, ठीक है, तो ही पर्टिकुलरली मैसेज्ड मी, ठीक है, फोटो निकाल के पेड़ वेड़ के, मतलब उसी रास्ते में, और फोटो के साथ बोला भैया ये रास्ते ना ब्लॉक हो गए हैं, आने के आप उस दूसरे रास्ते से आना जब भी आओ।
वाह,
ठीक है, आई वाज लाइक सरप्राइज, मैंने कहा अच्छा भाई ये मुझे मैसेज करा। आई मीन आई रेसिप्रोकेट ऑफ कोर्स विद द सेम वार्म। अभी 2 दिन 4 दिन पहले भी, मतलब मेरा पॉइंट ये है, जहां मुझे देख देख के नफरत आती थी, अब वो आके थोड़ा उधर लाइक से 5 मिनट भी 7 मिनट में, मैं साथ में नहीं बैठता, दादाजी बैठे तो आ जाता है 5-7 मिनट के लिए, उतर के बात कर लेता है, एंड आई मेरे रिएक्शंस खत्म हो गए, समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
वेरी नाइस।
इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर सीक्रेट्स विद हिम, बट it's like I'm neutralized, I'm okay with it, like as a brother I'm okay, हाँ भाई कुछ मदद कर सकता हूँ थोड़ी बहुत तो कर दूंगा, आप समझ गए ना मेरा पॉइंट? मेरे अपने रिएक्शन न्यूट्रलाइज हो गए हैं, which is the, जैसे जेपी से ने कहा, मेरा अपने मैं अच्छा फील करने लगा हूँ, इसमें कि I don't have to sabotage myself.
Good for you, yes.
That is what it is.
Good, thank you for sharing that. नितेश जी।
हाँ मैम, मेरे 2 बहन लोग हैं, and I'm the only son. So my father owns a lot of property. Kamaljeet knows me very well. Kamaljeet, he's my lawyer. तो मेरी बड़ी बहन जो है ना, she's lot of, बोलता ना प्रॉपर्टी का, उसको वो बोलता ना, she wants property. Suddenly now changed. मैंने बोल दिया है कि whatever she wants, let her take it. And मैं तो उसको ऐसा कर रहा हूँ कि I'm helping her out in everything. EMI, I'm telling my dad, daddy इसको पैसा दो, उसको ये दो, उसको वो दो. And suddenly changed. Everything has changed a lot. I don't expect anything from my dad right now. कि property नहीं चाहिए, I'll make up my own. And मैम पहला ऐसा हैबिट था कि इसको go to depression always. अच्छा ऐसा हो गया, suddenly I feel happy. I don't know for what reasons. And I feel like guilty. अरे मैं happy क्यों हो रहा हूँ? It's आदमी का होता है ना कि if you're sad and you're stressed ना, तो way of life. You're a hardworking man.
Yes.
So suddenly you're happy, तो लगता है क्या हो गया? Why I'm feeling so happy? Suddenly I feel happy.
Even
I feel very happy.
Brother, sister, parents के साथ आप कुछ चाहो ना चाहो, the connection is there, cells are same, blood is same, so you are somewhere or the other impacted if they don't talk.
I suddenly feel like I'm the guardian of my sisters. I feel they should get everything what they want in life.
Wow, that's great.
So it's a vast change in my approach towards them.
Great. Keep on showing gratitude. I must say, you will see in this journey of 30 days there will be a complete transformation in your family. I can promise that. Complete.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks to you.
Thanks. Thank you for sharing that. Anybody else? Sujata.
मैंने अभी वो आज वाला मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड लिख लिया था, वो 3 people वाला बाकी है, लेकिन मैंने ना जैसे कल लिखा था वो, जैसे आपने बोला था ना जब, तो मैं हमेशा अपनी मम्मी को लिखती हूँ, जैसे नॉर्मली तो हम फील करते हैं, जब मैंने लिखे 10 पॉइंट तो मुझे इतना ज्यादा अच्छा फील होने लगा। 10 पॉइंट मैंने लिखे तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा फील हो रहा था मुझे, एकदम से मुझे लगा कि यार मैंने तो कभी थैंक्स नहीं किया अपनी मम्मी को, इतना कुछ करती है वो मेरे लिए, पता नहीं क्या क्या करती है।
पेरेंट्स तो लाइक तुम जितना मर्जी कर लो, पेरेंट्स का कभी आप एहसान नहीं चुकाते।
तो वो जब भी जैसे कि मैं पढ़ती हूँ तो खाना बना के ले आती है, ये खा ले वो खा ले, पता नहीं क्या क्या करता। मैंने जब उसको लिखा, जैसे कि मेरे जैसे मान लो मेरे बाल झड़ रहे तो बोलेंगे कि तू अपने बालों का ध्यान नहीं रखती, क्या लगाती रहती है नई नई चीजें। तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें मतलब वो बोलती है, तो मुझे मतलब कि ये चीज पता चलती है कि कितनी ज्यादा केयर करती है।
एब्सोल्युटली। मेरी मम्मी के जाने के बाद मुझे बहुत बहुत ज्यादा रियाज की, मैं लैंडमार्क से मैं रात को 12:30-1 बजे जब मैं आती थी, 1 बजे मतलब सो रही होती थी, उठ के वो किचन में स्पेशली रोटी बनाने जा, I said why नहीं तू गरम, तूने रोटी खाई नहीं होगी, मैं तेरे को बना के, see मतलब the kind of care they had, the kind of passion they have for their kids, that is the best part of the parents, वो जो मर्जी करें, मतलब आपके लिए एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, आप अगर आज एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हो, इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, दैट्स इट. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. और अपने पेरेंट्स से कुछ एक्सपेक्ट मत करो, अपने बच्चों से भी कुछ एक्सपेक्ट मत करो.
और जैसे कि कल क्या हुआ था ना, जैसे कल क्या हुआ था, मेरी मम्मी ने बैगन की सब्जी बनाई थी, तो मुझे तो पसंद नहीं है बैगन की सब्जी, तो मैंने बोला यार मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, मैंने क्या ही बना दिया. फिर मैंने सोचा कि कम से कम मुझे खाने को तो मिल रहा है ये सारी चीजें, तो फिर मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड किया, फिर मैंने खा लिया बाद में.
Good, that is the gratitude you give to your mom. Wonderful.
एटलीस्ट कम से कम हम अच्छा नहीं बोले तो बेकार भी ना बोले.
Wow. Nitesh ji लिख रहे, gratitude has helped so much, suddenly you feel joyful like that. मैं लड्डू फूटा, like
मन में लड्डू फूटा, मन में लड्डू फूटता ना था.
मन में लड्डू. Wow, that's too good. That's the magic. Yeah, absolutely, that is the magic. Anybody new person, some please come on, you did the exercise, what is your feeling? Harshita, why don't you speak up? Kamaljeet, why don't you speak up?
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, all.
Kamaljeet. Yes.
Yeah. I don't actually have a grudge with my brother-in-law, my elder sister's husband.
Okay.
But he's the kind of a guy who always carries a negative energy around him.
Okay.
He's continuously complaining, continuously against the government, continuously against the road, potholes, this, that. And he's very aggressive. उसको सिर्फ इसकी प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी चाहिए. And I just can't stand in his vibration. I don't know why I would. वो जैसे रूम में आता है तो मैं दूसरे रूम में निकल जाता हूँ.
अच्छा.
सिस्टर को भी कहता है ये मेरे से क्यों दूर गया, ये क्या कर रहा है ऐसे. So he's that suspicious and everything you can. So finding gratitude for him was very hard for me.
I can understand that. Yes.
हाँ, और 5 चीजें उसके लिए, मतलब मेरे लिए तो दिन निकल गया कि उसके लिए मैं 5 चीजें क्या सोचूं. तो अगर फिर भी कुछ चीजें मैंने देख लिए एंड मैंने निकाल लिए 5 चीजें, I'll work on it. So that is what. Let's see. Thank you, ma'am.
It is not what he is, right?
Yeah.
Now the point is you.
Exactly.
If you're having that negativity, वो जहर अगर आपके अंदर है, आप एक खीर हो, ठीक है, अगर एक बूंद नींबू की उसके अंदर आएगी तो आपकी अपनी खराब हो जाएगा ना.
Exactly.
खराब हो जाएगी ना. So you are a kheer, and if you are having that negativity about your jija, so it is like a nimbu, ठीक है. So just see what he is.
He is.
What you are,
Exactly.
right? So you don't have right to hate anybody. You don't have right to show grudges on anybody. Since your sister is living with him, he's taking care of your sister. That's it.
That's it. That is doing very well.
Yeah. And then that is the gratitude you should give to that person. If you don't want to meet with him, it's absolutely fine. It's fine. But don't keep that grudge, And just keep appreciating that he takes care of my sister, which is my loved one. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
और उसकी gratitude, वो अपना अच्छा कमाता है, he's very good, whatsoever. बस उसको gratitude show करते रहो, मन में grudges मत रखो. वो negative खड़ा होता है, जब वो बोलता है, जब आपके मन में गुस्सा आना शुरू होना, उसको bless करना, God bless you, God bless you.
Okay.
उसका बोलना, उसका कर्मा है. He has to bear that.
Exactly.
But your negation is again against you, then your personality. So I don't want you to, zehar apne andar mat bholo. So you have to be out of it, right? Great. Thanks for sharing, Kamaljeet. I'm so happy that you shared. Okay. So anybody else has to share? We should go ahead. Okay. So let's go ahead. So today's topic is health. That is very, very important. The greatest wealth is health. Wow. So, Sangeeta, are you there? I don't know, your name has come up.
Yeah, I'm there. Yes.
Okay, great. So I don't know how your name has come. So
Good.
you are lucky to be the one who's.
I'm the lucky one.
Thank you so much for
That's
taking.
because of magic.
Thank you. That is magic. Yes.
That is
Thank you.
magic.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Let us start with it.
Yeah. The greatest wealth is health. Virgil, Roman poet. Health is the most precious thing in life. And yet, more than anything else, we can take our health for granted. For many of us, the only time we think of our health is when we lose it. Then the realization hits us. Without our health, we have nothing. There is an Italian proverb that speaks the truth about health for many of us. He who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows though he knows it not. While we rarely think of our health when we are well, you will have felt the truth of those words even when you had something minor like a cold or the flu and you were bedridden. When you are not well, all you want is to feel better and nothing else matters other than having your health back again. Health is a gift of life. It is something you receive and continue to receive each day. In addition to everything else we do to be healthy, we have to be grateful for our health to continue to receive more health. Remember, whoever has gratitude for health will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he or she has, will be taken from him or her. You may know of people who chose a healthy lifestyle and yet still lost their health. Giving thanks in return for the health you are receiving is vital. When you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time, you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health to you. You will also begin to see the improvements to your health happen right away. Little aches and pains, moles, scars, or marks will start to magically disappear, and you will notice your energy, vitality, and happiness increase markedly. As you will learn in a later practice, through the daily practice of gratitude for your health, you can improve your eyesight, hearing, and all of your senses, along with every function in your entire body. And all of it happens like magic. Gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and an antiseptic.
Now, always
John,
remember, gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and antiseptic. बहुतों के अभी लास्ट ईयर हमारे को किसी का पता चला था, उसने अपना कैंसर तक ग्रैटिट्यूड से ठीक कर दिया. When you show the gratitude to every organ of your body, if you start saying I have a wonderful vision, लोगों के चश्मे उतर जाते हैं, but you need to be regular in giving gratitude to your eyes, to your face, to your body, to your organs. तो आपका पेन क्या सब कुछ चला जाता है with gratitude. See the power of gratitude. ग्रैटिट्यूड एक ऐसी वैक्सीन है, ऐसा नमक है जिसके बिना कोई भी खाना नहीं बन सकता, जिसके बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सो एवरीथिंग, सबका सोल्यूशन ग्रैटिट्यूड. एंड व्हेन द होल चैप्टर्स, every chapter has a sense of gratitude, and how you're using it, you will find in each chapter. Yes.
John Henry Jowett.
Yeah.
Okay. The degree that you are grateful for your health is the exact degree that your health will magically increase. And the degree that you are not grateful is the exact degree that your health will decrease. Living with a decreased amount of health means your energy, vitality, immune system, clarity of thought, and every other function of your body and mind is weakened. Being grateful for your health ensures that you will continue to receive more health to be grateful for. And at the same time, it eliminates stress and tension in your body and mind. Scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Studies have also revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer. You can see in the state of your health right now how grateful you have been. You should feel amazing every day. If you feel heavy and life feels like a real effort to get through, or if you don't feel younger than your age, then you are living with decreased health. One of the major causes of this loss of vitality is a lack of gratitude. All of that is about to change, though, because you are going to use gratitude's magical power for the health of your body. The magical health practice begins with reading through the following paragraphs about the health of your body. After you read each italicized line for a particular part of your body, close your eyes and mentally repeat the italicized line, feeling as grateful as you can for that part of your body. Remember that when you think about why you are grateful, it will help you feel gratitude more deeply. And the deeper you feel it, the faster you will feel and see the amazing results in your body. Think about your legs and feet. They are your main form of transportation in your life. Think about all the things you use your legs for, like balancing, standing up, sitting down, exercising, dancing, climbing steps, driving a car, and most of all, the miracle of walking. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around your home, walk to the bathroom, go to the kitchen to get a drink, and walk to your car. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around stores, down the streets, through an airport, and along the beach. The ability to walk gives us freedom to enjoy life. Say, thank you for my legs and feet, and really mean it. Think about your arms and hands and how many things you pick up and hold in one day. Sorry. Think about your arms and hands and how many things you pick up and hold in one day. Your hands are the major tools of your life, and they are in non-stop use all day long, every day. Your hands allow you to write, eat a meal, use a phone or computer, shower, get dressed, use the bathroom, pick up things and hold them, and do everything for yourself. Without the use of your hands, you would be dependent on other people to do things for you. Say thank you for my arms, hands, and fingers. Think about your amazing senses. Your sense of taste gives you so much pleasure multiple times throughout the day as you eat and drink. You know from losing your sense of taste through a cold that the joy of eating and drinking disappears without being able to taste food or drinks. Say thank you for my amazing sense of taste. Your sense of smell enables you to experience of your senses. It is actually your brain that enables you to sense and experience life. And there is no computer technology in the world that can duplicate it. Say thank you for my brain and my beautiful mind.
Now imagine, every day, हम कई बार हम सभी के साथ होते हैं, अकेले मेरे नहीं, हर आप लोगों के साथ भी होता है कि वी ऑलवेज से कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, हमारे पास इतना काम है, पूरा दिन बीत जाता है, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वी रिपीट द सेम स्टेटमेंट? Instead of repeating the statement, when we show the gratitude early in the morning, we declare what are the things that we need to do today, and just visualize that you are doing it, and I am doing it, and it is completely done by this time. When you declare in the morning, you will see magically that will happen the same day, same time. So this is the magic of giving gratitude. और आपको ये बता दूं, कोई भी बीमारी होती है, whether it is pain, whether it is stress, whether it is BP, whether it is kidney problem, whether it is any other problem, it is just because of your thoughts. Everything is connected to thoughts. And when you are showing gratitude, the thoughts, the negative thoughts are not there. You keep on showing gratitude, the thoughts will be removed, और जो भी impact आपकी body पे हुआ है, that starts disappearing. So that is why gratitude is a wonderful way of keeping yourself healthy. If some pain is there somewhere, any part of the body, what you will do is you will just visualize, say thank you, thank you, thank you God, thank you universe, that part is perfectly fine. और विजुलाइज करो कि आप अगर लेग है तो भाग रहे हो, दौड़ रहे हो, वो विजुलाइज करो जो आप काम कर रहे थे, जो वो उससे, ये नहीं पेन पे नहीं आपने ग्रेटिट्यूड करना. अगर आपने पेन पे दिया तो पेन बढ़ जाएगा. पेन पे नहीं, ऑर्गन पे, जहां पे भी पेन है, चाहे वो आपका हेडेक हो रहा हो, चाहे हाथ में पेन है या लेग में पेन है या आई साइड की कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यू जस्ट focus on that, give gratitude to that organ and see the miracles happening. You will see the things will actually improve. Yes, thank you so much.
Think about the trillions of cells working unceasingly 24/7 for your health, body, and life. Say thank you, cells. Think about your life sustaining organs, which are continuously filtering, cleaning, and renewing everything in your body. And think about the fact that they do all their work automatically without you even having to think about it. Say thank you, organs, for working perfectly. But more miraculous than any sense, system, function, or other organ in our body is the organ of your heart. Your heart governs the life of every other organ because it is your heart that keeps the life flowing to every system in your body. Say thank you for my strong and healthy heart. Next, take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in big bold letters, the gift of health is keeping me alive.
Now, what you have to do is big chart paper, maybe it is of yellow color, put with the red pen, bada bada sketch pen se likho, jaise matlab it should be visible right in front of you. The gift of health is keeping me alive. So you have to say that. Yes.
Take the card with you today and put it in a place where you know you will see it often. If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you are a driver, put it in a place in your car or truck where you will see it often. If you are at home most of the time, you can put it where you wash your hands or near your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written often. Today, on at least 4 separate occasions, when you see the words, read them very slowly, one word at a time, and feel as grateful as you can for the gift of health. Being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better with increasing energy and zest for life. If gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatments, we would see a health revolution and recovery rates and miracles like we have never seen before. Magic practice number 4, magical health. 1. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel great gratitude for each one. 2. On a piece of paper or card, write the words, the gift of health is keeping me alive. 3. Place the piece of paper with your written words where you know you will see it often today. 4. On at least 4 occasions, read the words very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of health. Sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Chapter. So always remember when you are writing gratitude, gratitude क्या होता है? Thanks करना, ठीक है? अब हमारा चैप्टर था काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स. काउंट योर ब्लेसिंग्स मीन्स आप काउंट कीजिए आपको भगवान ने क्या क्या चीजें दी हैं जिसका आपने थैंक यू करना है. थैंक यू करने को ग्रैटिट्यूड कहते हैं. सो ब्लेसिंग्स और ग्रैटिट्यूड में कोई फर्क नहीं है. ग्रैटिट्यूड हम शो करते हैं, ब्लेसिंग्स जो हमें को भगवान ने दी. सो दैट वे, सो यू आर राइटिंग द ब्लेसिंग्स I'm so grateful that you have given me wonderful parents as they love me and I am what I am today, the values that they have given me. Then second, then third, then fourth, आपने पहले सारी लिख लेनी है. लिखने के बाद आप एक पढ़ोगे, पढ़ने के बाद then you will say thank you, thank you, thank you. Second पढ़ोगे, फिर से thank you, thank you, thank you. That means first you are writing, then you are again going back to the first, you are reading and then saying thank you. So every time, I'm not going to repeat this because starting है इसलिए मैं रोज repeat करती हूँ so that आप कुछ गलती ना करो, ठीक है? And then today what you're going to do is इतने बड़ा चार्ट पेपर ले लो या इतना बड़ा शीट ले लो, maybe A4 साइज ले लो या बड़ा जैसे जितना आप ले सकते हो, जहां पे आप लिखो, write down in capital letters, preferably red color, the gift of health is keeping me alive. और दिन में कम से कम 5 से 6 बार आपने इसको आते जाते पढ़ना है. आप मिरर पे लिपस्टिक से भी लिख सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. रेड कलर की लिपस्टिक मिल जाएगी, बस डांट मत खाना घर में. Then, so this is what a magical health is. Person enjoys his health is rich. Health is a gift of life. Abundance in health, little aches, pain, सब गायब हो जाएगा जब when you show the gratitude. Eyesight ठीक कर सकते हो, hearing ठीक कर सकते हो, कुछ भी ठीक कर सकते हो, because gratitude is a vaccine, antitoxin, antiseptic. और कोई stress, tension कुछ भी होगा, because when you show gratitude, you know, you can show gratitude when your mind is in peace. When your mind is in peace, कहाँ कुछ नहीं उथल पुथल हो रहा होता है, तब आप gratitude actual में पे करते हो. जब आप gratitude पे करोगे तो automatically mind peace पे होगा and then you can actually show that thing. And main form of transfer, ऐसे आप legs के लिए करोगे, आप visualize करोगे कि आप डांस कर रहे हो, आप वॉक कर रहे हो, आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो. अगर हैंड में कोई पेन है तो आप हैंड से सब कुछ उठा रहे हो, ये कर, मतलब जिस ऑर्गन पे आपने फोकस करना है, आपने उसको विजुअलाइज करना है कि वो बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक काम कर रहा है. सो दिस इज हाउ. एंड व्हेन यू आर टेस्टिंग, स्पेलिंग, टचिंग, आईज, जब सारे सेंसेस से आप काम करते हो तो और ज्यादा हो जाता है. सो नाउ cells of your body getting multiplied everywhere, organs of your body working properly. अच्छा, अब आप सब आपने अपने ऊपर अप्लाई करना है. You will say thank you to your body. You will say thank you to your cells that it is multiplying every time. Then you are saying thank you to the organs of your body as they are working properly. Then you are thanking senses of your body that is giving you comforting you. Then I want all of you to say thank you to your body as these statements are written. So you just say thank you, thank you, thank you. You are winging thank you to your cells.
मैम ये वाली फोटो आप भेज देना उसमें.
ठीक है, ठीक है. And then brain and then heart. So this is how you need to practice. This is what you need to do. So the time is for video. Beautiful video I have today.
Before we move to the video, मैं एक पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहता हूँ. जो आपने बताया ना, हर ब्लेसिंग के बाद हमें थैंक यू पढ़ना है, राइट? So once when we do thank you, if we direct it thank you to, let's say, जिस भी हम भगवान में, कृष्णा में बिलीव करते हैं, हनुमान में बिलीव करते हैं, यूनिवर्स में बिलीव करते हैं, या किसी चीज में भी हम अगर उनको थैंक यू करने लगते हैं, वो थैंक यू का असर कई फोल्ड बढ़ जाता है. तो इसलिए हमेशा जब भी आप वो ब्लेसिंग पढ़ने के बाद थैंक यू करो, तो आप जिस भी चीज में बिलीव करते हो उसको वो थैंक यू डायरेक्ट करो. ठीक है? थैंक यू कृष्णा फॉर दिस, और थैंक यू हनुमान जी, या जिसको भी आप बिलीव करते हो, गॉड में बिलीव करते हो, यूनिवर्स में भी, दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स. जस्ट राइटिंग.
कोई ड्रीम लिस्ट के अंदर मैंने बताया, जो आप ड्रीम लिस्ट लिखते हो तो ऊपर भी उनका नाम लिखो और नीचे भी, बिकॉज वी आर सेइंग जेनरिक थैंक यू गॉड, थैंक यू यूनिवर्स को कर सकते हो. गॉड की जगह पे आप अपने क्रिश्चियन जो है वो फादर को कहते हैं, या जो भी अपने गुरु जी को कहते हैं, या अपने माता को कहते हैं, या गणेश जी को कहते हैं. जैसे आई एम अ डिसाइपल ऑफ शिवा, तो मैं शिव जी का नाम लेती हूँ. सो एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन गॉड. So just take the name of your God. Every statement you can put the name of your God, because you are more connected to them. So that is the manifestation is quite fast.
Exactly. That's why I said that.
Thank you for sharing that, Anmol. Can you see the screen, all of you? Video?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Now can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, बिग हेलो, वेलकम टू माइंडफुल मंडेज। आज हम बात कर रहे हैं ग्रैटिट्यूड की, शुक्र करना। अब हमें आदत दिलानी पड़ेगी अपने आप को अच्छा सोचने की, क्योंकि बचपन से ही हमें गलतियों का हमेशा एहसास दिलाया गया है, लेकिन अचीवमेंट्स का नहीं। मैं बचपन में बहुत सुना करती थी ग्रैटिट्यूड के बारे में, नानी माँ से और मेरी मम्मा बीरा जी, जो अब भी मुझे बहुत याद दिलाती है, शुक्र करो शुक्र करो। हम बच्चे सुना करते थे, लेकिन सही तरीके से एहसास हुआ about being grateful 20 साल पहले when I had facial paralysis. मम्मा हमेशा कहती थी शुक्र करो, and I would get really upset. I just had my first heartbreak, so very disturbed, and on top of that, facially paralyzed. Work has come to a standstill. Zero financial freedom. किस बात का शुक्र करूं? I would get really annoyed. And Mama would keep reminding me, शुक्र करो। आज हम electrical stimulation hospital में लेंगे. Electrical stimulation is when you get paralyzed, they stimulate your nerves with electrical currents. So वो therapy मैं घर पर लिया करती थी, क्योंकि मैं बाहर नहीं जाना चाहती थी. I didn't want anyone to see my lopsided face. लेकिन उस दिन Mama was consistently telling me, please hospital चलो. And thank goodness I went and I met the other patients who were paralyzed. Paralyzed neck down, paralyzed on the left side of the body, on the right side of the body. Some were paralyzed for the second time. So the spouse had asked them to leave. And in an instant, I knew what the meaning of being grateful is. I was so grateful because gratitude makes you realize what you have rather than what you don't have. And I instantly realized, thank goodness I'm mobile. Thank goodness I'm not married, that somebody can reject me just because I'm paralyzed. Thank goodness I have the support of my family. So that is the essence of gratitude and feeling grateful. And it instantly shifts your mood because it shifts your perspective and your perception about life. So that's the essence. And now let me tell you about the science behind gratitude. The science of gratitude is absolutely brilliant. Whatever we consistently think about expands in our life. Whatever we consistently think about is a GPS to our brain. What we consistently think about sends a message to the brain, and then the brain produces corresponding chemicals which are released into our body, and that changes the alchemy of our body. So we feel happy, joyful, anxious, disturbed, or annoyed. That's the power of our thoughts. But the beauty is, जिस बारे में हम बार-बार सोचते हैं, the brain produces matching curtains or matching filters. इसका scientific नाम है reticular activating system. तो अगर हम बार-बार complain कर रहे हैं कि मेरे पास अच्छी नौकरी नहीं है, मेरी health खराब है, मुझे अच्छा life partner नहीं मिल रहा, so the brain gets the message to produce and show you life through those complaining filters. So that's why the key is in being grateful. We start sending the message to the brain that we're grateful for this, and we're grateful for our life, we're grateful for our health, we're grateful for my hair, my eyes, my food, whatever you can think about. So the brain gets the message, wow, now let me build filters of gratitude. तो आपकी जिंदगी में वही experiences आएंगे जिन्हें experience करके आपको खुशी मिलेगी. आपको ये एहसास होगा that life is beautiful, and that is the way you actually will start attracting miracles in your life. तो अब gratitude की शुरुआत कैसे करें? आप एक book लें, and the beauty is to start being grateful first thing in the morning or last thing in the night. Isn't it amazing? You start the day on a winning note. This is what I'm grateful for. पहले आप struggle करेंगे even to write 3 things which you're grateful for. लेकिन धीरे धीरे आदत बनती जाएगी and you will have an endless list. So I start my day with saying, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for my healthy body. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for my parents. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for my loving husband or my loving daughter. Now you can also use gratitude to trick your brain into making your dreams come true. I did that. When I was ready for a life partner, I used to write in my gratitude journal, thank you, dear universe, for my perfect life partner who's spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically nurtures me. Even before Samaya was born, I used to write in my gratitude journal, "Thank you, dear universe, for my perfect, healthy, happy baby." So it takes your mind away from thinking that you don't have something into that joyful expectation, and also brings you back to the present moment that I'm so happy with my life anyways. So right now I'm so grateful that you're starting your gratitude journey, and I'm so grateful to my ever-growing audience on FitTag for watching Mindful Mondays. And I'm so grateful that you will join me next week, because next week we are talking about how we can change our thoughts from negative to positive, because you are braver than you believe, smarter than you seem, and stronger than you feel.
Wow. What a video. Anybody has to say anything?
Ma'am, it was an amazing video. It would be great if you can share it on the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'll share it on the WhatsApp group. No.
Thank you.
So see, this is how you're going to create a beautiful life in front of you if you are in gratitude. It's so good. अपने पार्टनर चाहिए, आपको बिजनेस चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ उस ग्रैटिट्यूड मोड में आने की जरूरत है. आप एक बात बताओ, आपके बच्चे हैं और अपने बच्चों को घुमाने लेके जाते हो, उनको कुछ सामान दिलाते हो. 2 बच्चे हैं, एक बेटी है, उसको कुछ दिलाया, एक बेटा है, उसको कुछ दिलाया, हंसते खेलते आए हैं. आप कुछ सामान लेके आए हो तो बेटा कहता है ये वाला नहीं पापा, मुझे दूसरे वाला चाहिए था, ये वाला तो बिल्कुल खराब है, मेरे को बड़े वाला चाहिए था, वो ज्यादा महंगा था, मुझे वो वाला चाहिए था, आप पैसा क्यों लेके दिया, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं. बेटी आती कहते थैंक यू पापा सो मच कि आपने मुझे ये दिलाया, ये कितना सुंदर है, ये कितना प्यारा है, ये कितना अच्छा कलर है, दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी नाइस, आई एम सो लव यू. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, अगली बार आप मार्केट जाओगे, आप किसके लिए सामान खरीदोगे? वो जो
बेटी के
साथ है, वो जिसको अप्रिशिएशन के साथ है. टेल मी.
appreciation.
यस. सो हम भी बच्चे ही है ना, हम भी तो बच्चे ही हैं. हमारे अंदर भी तो छोटा सा बच्चा बैठा है ना कि अरे मैं कुछ भी लेके आऊं. हमारे मन में ये बात है, मैं कुछ भी ले आऊंगा ना, उसको हमेशा कंप्लेंट रहेगी, हमेशा वो नेगेटिव उसमें से निकालेगा. दिस इज आवर थॉट प्रोसेस. सो दैट इज व्हाई यूनिवर्स आल्सो लव दोज पीपल who are loving, those who are happy, they accept whatever you give. इसलिए वो कहता है मैं इसी को दूंगा यार, यही मस्त है, इसे हंसता खेलता रहता है, मैं इसी को दूंगा. So be happy whatever universe gives you. Enjoy every moment that universe gives you, and you will see the life also attracts wonderful moments. अगर आप उसको joy दोगे तो life आपको joy देगा. आप अगर complaints दोगे तो आपको life complaints देगा. तो आपकी choice है आप क्या लो. So it's entirely up to you. That is how universe works. Great. So we need to be in the highest mode of vibrational mode, that is in love, gratitude, friends, joy, compassion, celebration, satisfaction. If it is you are in this mode, you are in success mode. If you are in down mode, bad feelings वाले mode में, तो भैया आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You have to transform yourself. Okay, let us practice one thing. So I'm growing healthier and stronger every day. Okay, I love my body, my body loves me. So आपको अपनी बॉडी को थैंक यू करना है, आपको सेल्स को थैंक यू करना है, और आपकी बॉडी में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई पेन है, कुछ है, जस्ट रिमेंबर, चूज वन पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी एंड जस्ट से शो ग्रैटिट्यूड टू इट.
Ma'am,
Monica, ma'am, wait, go ahead. I'll ask after you.
Yeah, Purnam.
So Monica, so this is how we can use this technique for ourselves, right? How about if we want to show, like, heal something that our kid has who, like, I mean, I have got him into saying thank you for everything he has. So I'm also helping him get into the same thought process. However, he's too little, right, to be practicing with the same frequency that we do.
Right.
So how can I heal something that he's suffering from through this technique?
Okay, so you just have to say that I'm happy and truly blessed that my son or my daughter is having a perfect, healthy life. If whatever problem is, you just visualize that she's happy, enjoying. You just have to visualize that and that statement that she's perfectly healthy. If some particular problem is there, उसको स्पेसिफाई करके उसको कॉमन, यानी कि जैसे सपोज एक बीपी का नॉर्मल जो होता है वो 80-120 होता है, so my BP is perfectly 80-120, मतलब एक perfect level लेके you just connect to it. Similarly, अपने बच्चे का भी आप ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy and blessed to God and universe that my son is this. And then you visualize that he is happy, dancing, playing. Just see that, and very soon it will be perfectly fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So I hope everybody has done this. Okay, Kamaljeet is asking why always yellow paper. So yellow is a color of spiritual. Whenever we do meditation or whenever आप ये देखो साधु संत लोग या येलो या ऑरेंज पहनते हैं, because तो उनका ऑरा बढ़ जाता है, it multiplies. It is a symbol of sun. That is the golden. जब हम कुछ heal भी करते हैं, हम golden dust डालते हैं, golden. That is why yellow paper with red pen, it manifests faster. That is why you use yellow paper. अगर नहीं है तो that's absolutely fine. ये मैं हमेशा यूज करती हूँ, इसलिए I share it with you. So it's up to you whether you want to go ahead or not. If you don't believe, then it's okay. It's up to the belief, what you believe. I believe that it makes a difference. So the gift of health is keeping me alive. I'm fit and healthy. Just make sure that you are putting this in front of you the whole day, and 4 to 5 times you are saying this. A video. Now tomorrow's assignment is write down 10 blessings. And then you will make a banner kind of a thing, poster, the gift of health is keeping me alive, and then magic rock, and then you will the best moment of the day, and then you say thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so the platform is open for sharing. Anybody would like to share? But again, very crisp, short. Amit, would you like to share?
Ma'am, not about this session,
okay,
but because I can interact with you only here, that is why I am taking this opportunity to inform you and request you that my son is also with you in the Sunday session which you take for kids. So he has completed 2 sessions, and this Sunday would be his 3rd session. So whatever you have told him, he is not practicing it at all. So can you guide us, help us in how to convince him and ensure that he completes it so that it helps him?
नहीं, आप convince नहीं करोगे. It is up to me. If he is doing, I'll come to know. If it is not, then also I come to know. First, I give the opportunity for them. What is his name?
Arnav.
Arnav, but he's such a darling. He's such a sweet. He's so enthusiastic in participating. In the class, he's so sweet. In last session, मुझे याद है कि मेरा network का problem आ रहा था, जा रहा था, and I was getting them do some exercises, motion and freeze, motion and मैम वीडियो नहीं चलता, कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलते रहो, हम करते रहेंगे. But he's so enthusiastic.
Okay.
बच्चा भी छोटा है, थोड़ा टाइम दो उसको, because
okay.
ये बच्चे जो होते हैं ना, because we have, being the parent, we have lots of expectations, with our children, but
sure.
Leave them, because आप अगर मेरे पे विश्वास कर रहे हो, मेरे पे विश्वास रखो, he will start doing it. Let me handle it my way. तो मैं अपने आप से करवाऊंगी. But the thing is, I don't want to force them. I don't want to do. It is their initiative. We want to make them independent. हम ये classes ही इसलिए ले रहे हैं कि वो independent हो जाए. अगर हम force करके कराना है तो हमारा फायदा क्या है? है ना?
Sure, sure. Thank you.
You believe me, he will be rocking. He's such a wonderful person. I have seen, मैं इतने अगर 30 years का experience है मुझे अपनी teaching का, इतना बच्चे को एक बारी में ही पता चल जाता है कि कहाँ gap है, कहाँ weak है, कहाँ क्या है. But he's very enthusiastic. When he's in the class, he's the most active person, over there, that I've seen. तो नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि जब तक बच्चे उस मैजिक को बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, कोशिश नहीं करेंगे, तो वो मेरे को अपने तरीके से मैं अपना करा लूंगी. डोंट वरी, आपने मुझे ये बोल दिया. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दिस अप. आई विल मेक श्योर दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for trusting me in that way. Thank you so much. Anybody else would like to share?
Yeah, Monica, I would like to share.
Yes.
So this is few years back, when I was absolutely in good health. वो मेरे माइंड में ये रहता था कि मेरी आईज वीक हैं. तो समवेयर इन माय माइंड आई हैड दैट कि मुझे मतलब चश्मा लगा हुआ है, और क्योंकि मैं बहुत पढ़ती थी तो इसलिए लगा हुआ है, व्हाटएवर. तो ऐसे सोचती थी. सो आई वेंट टू ड्रॉप माय सन इन ऑन द स्टेशन. तो जब ट्रेन चली तो मैं भी ट्रेन के अंदर थी, और ट्रेन चल पड़ी. And I had to jump, from the train to get down. तो मैंने jump करा और सब लोग भागे आए वहां पर. There were lot of people, lot of army personals were there जो उस टाइम कुछ कहीं जा रहे थे. तो वो सब भाग के आए कि मैम आपको लगी तो नहीं. My husband was also there. तो ट्रेन तो चली गई, बेटा चला गया, बट मैं वो एकदम हैरान हो गई कि I was absolutely fine. और मुझे बिल्कुल लगी नहीं, जबकि मुझे कभी मैंने ऐसे जंप नहीं किया था, मुझे नहीं पता था वो कैसे होना चाहिए. तो उसके बाद मुझे लगी और मैं फटाफट अपना हाथ वगैरह वहीं पे धोए और मैंने बोला कि नहीं मुझे तो जाना है ऑफिस एंड आई विल गो. सो हस्बैंड वाज सरप्राइज कि कैसे जाएगी, क्या करे, पर मैं गई. नाउ आई रियलाइज कि उस टाइम पे मेरे लेग्स बिल्कुल स्ट्रॉन्ग और फीट ने कैसे वो मतलब जो भी मुझे ऐसा इम्पैक्ट हुआ, बट दे वर एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. और उसके बाद मैं बिल्कुल नॉर्मल थी. सो प्रोबेबली माय gratitude was not there, and I did not give gratitude at that time. और उसके बाद अब मैंने रियलाइज करा, जब उस दिन मुझे मतलब 3-4 बार ही हुआ and I was doing one of the chapters, so that time I realized कि तब मुझे नहीं करा, उसके बाद से मुझे 3-4 बार ही लगी. So somewhere जब हम उस टाइम पे ग्रैटिट्यूड नहीं करते तो शायद अभी मुझे ये ऐसा लग रहा है, आई डोंट नो, कि ये इसलिए मुझे बार बार लगी.
ग्रैटिट्यूड का चैप्टर तो अब आया है, तो अब आपको लगा है तो आप ग्रैटिट्यूड अब शो कर दो.
अब हाँ, अब मुझे लगा तो अब मैंने शो करा है. फिर अब मैंने काफी बार करा, इवन फॉर माय आईज जो मुझे था.
मोमेंट्स दे हैव गॉन, इट्स बीन लॉन्ग इयर्स, सो मेनी इयर्स नाउ. जस्ट उसको छोड़ दो, रिलीज कर दो. कोई भी पास्ट मोमेंट अगर आप अपने पास पकड़ के रखते हो, the heaviness is there in your body. You cannot fly, you cannot move ahead. आपके साथ कुछ हुआ, आपने उसको पकड़ लिया. आपके साथ कुछ और हुआ, आपने उसको भी पकड़ लिया. आपके साथ कुछ और हो गया, आपने और पकड़ लिया. कितना बोझ लेके चलते रहोगे. अरे हो गया, थैंक यू सो मच, ब्लेस करो, छोड़ दो. थैंक यू सो मच, ब्लेस करो, छोड़ दो. थैंक यू सो मच, ब्लेस करो, छोड़ दो. फ्री हो जाओ और उड़ जाओ. So don't keep your past on your shoulders. That makes you heavy. अब जिनको सर्वाइकल की प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, जिनको शोल्डर्स की प्रॉब्लम आती है, उसका सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है, यू आर होल्डिंग पास्ट ऑन योर शोल्डर्स. रिलीज इट. पीछे मुड़ के देखो, कहीं कोई पास्ट नहीं है, कहीं किसी ने कोई गाली नहीं दी है, किसी ने कुछ अब्यूज नहीं किया है. वो सब था, उड़ गया. कहीं पीछे देखो, कुछ है पास्ट? कुछ नहीं है. आगे देखो, कोई फ्यूचर है? कुछ नहीं है. क्या है? प्रेजेंट. एंड एंजॉय योर प्रेजेंट. दैट इज
या एक्चुअली मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी थी, वो हील योरसेल्फ है ना, एक लुइस करके क्या नाम है उनका. तो उसमें उन्होंने ना अलग अलग बॉडी पार्ट्स की तकलीफ के लिए अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम ऐसा कुछ बड़ा था उसमें बताया था. जिनको कैंसर होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब किसी को बुरा बोलते हैं या किसी को ऐसा कुछ करते हैं, उसकी वजह से होता है. और तो जो हमारे जैसे हमने MMI का इवेंट भी अटेंड किया था, मिलेनियम माइंड इंटेंसिव, उसमें भी उन्होंने जो एक इंसिडेंट होता है ना, उसके वजह से ही वो चाहे वो फाइनेंशियल को लेकर ना हो, तो तुम्हारे पास पैसा आएगा वो चला जाएगा, तो वो ब्लॉकेज हो जाती है हमारे दिमाग में, तो वो रुकावट हो जाती है एक तरह से, तो उसको हटाना बहुत जरूरी है।
हम अपने वो मोमेंट्स याद रखते हैं, उसने मुझे ऐसे धक्का दिया था, मैं यहाँ से यहाँ गिरी थी, पूरा मोमेंट पे मोमेंट याद होगा। रिलीज इट, द मोर यू रिलीज इट, वी आर नॉट हेयर टू कैप्चर, यू नो, हम लोग सब कुछ थोड़ी दिमाग में रखेंगे, सब कूड़ा करका, जब हम घर में सफाई करते हैं, कूड़ा साफ करके, अपना डस्टबिन साफ करके क्लीन करके कहते हैं कि अब नया होगा, ये थोड़ी कि पुराना रखते रहेंगे, कब तक रखते रहेंगे? So you have to forgive, forget, and most important, very, very important, please forgive yourself also. अगर by chance कुछ आप नहीं कर पाते हो, अपने आप मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने ये करना था, और अपने आप को forgive नहीं करते हो, you are the most important personalities, just forgive yourselves. ठीक है?
मेरे को ना एक प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे कि ना मैं हमेशा अपने आप को ये चीज करती हूँ कि यार ये वाला टास्क कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, ये भी करना था, वो ये मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा होता है, मतलब ये चीजें, इस चीज में मैं हमेशा बार बार अपने आप को ना बोलती हूँ कि यार ये तो हुआ ही नहीं है, कंप्लीट ही नहीं हुआ, क्या किया तूने पूरा दिन, कुछ भी तो नहीं किया, तो इसका मैं क्या करूँ?
तुमने प्लान किया और वो नहीं हुआ, तुमने यार तुम बिल्कुल पागल है, सवेरे से ये काम भी नहीं किया, ये काम भी नहीं, अपने आप को ही ब्लेम करते रहते हैं। जस्ट फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ एंड यू नो लव योरसेल्फ, कि बहुत चिल, थोड़ा रिलैक्स भी करो अपने आप को, दैट इज, यू हैव टू एंजॉय एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ. So thank you so much.
I have written it down, like in Hindi I have written down yellow color. Are you able to see it?
Very nice. Very nice.
उपहार का स्वास्थ्य का उपहार मुझे जीवित रखता है, हिंदी में लिखा है.
Yes.
Awesome, yaar.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for listening to me. Thank you for being here. Thank you for creating such wonderful session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Monica,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
अरे हटना